Guys, I want to show you something too, if you can hear that. This is what pours out. I've never seen dust like this up here. I just Swiffered the other day, and this is what pours out of this thing. You can see it all along there. It's all in the closet. It's all around the floors. It's like it's blowing in here. I just Swiffered because I was moving the other day. I Swiffered everything, and look at this. Look what pours in. I've never seen dust like this. Yeah, that's something blowing in here. I just wanted to show you that too. Yeah. It's all in the closet too. So I continue to pack here. I'm all packed up. So we'll be leaving tomorrow. Everything was clean. I forgot to mention about the broken shower curtain, or excuse me, the broken shower, and I had told the realtor that when I moved in. Yeah, that the mechanism up here was busted. So I want to make note of that too. So basically everything's clean and ready to go, and I have to Swiffer again. I just Swiffered and this stuff is all over the place. So yeah, this is what's going on. So I wanted to make note of that also, because people like this, they scam your money. Then they want to keep your security. I've had numerous places around here keep my security. Over there, the Cernex on Ridge Road kept my security. In Northville, I was ripped off for the propane heater, Superior. He tried to pull a fast one with the heat. That was up on the main street in Northville. And now we're here. There was also problems on Arnold Avenue, Vanderveer, and there was problems with my mother. She's got a room set up just like this. She's been doing this a long time, and I hate to have to come to terms with that. You can see those white things flying around because I've been sitting here just trying to rest to finish up the last packing, and they've been intensely hitting my head with this thing. So this is what was going on with my mother's too. No heat. It would feel warm, the space heater thing, but no heat would come out of it. But she had heat pouring out of the furnace in the in the main house. So these people are setting up these rooms in the garage. Heat is one of the main things that you can harass somebody with, and we'll get more into that, and we'll get more into family members being involved in this because it's been very difficult to come to terms with having my family involved. But she's been friends with this swingers club for a long time. This Jo Marie Prokoff, she disappears every once in a while when I come around. She's done this before, but they were having their big swingers party out of the gym over there with Alpenhaus, Cranberry Cove Marina. These people were involved with the Colbys up in Northville. This Carla Colby was following me around. These people were involved with these people, the football players from high school that were having these horrible parties, and women were having problems. So we'll get more into some of this stuff. This has been going on a long time, since high school, but I wanted to make a note of that too. So somebody probably said something about TV. I would have to agree. The TV is probably some kind of monitoring device, because the TVs are usually involved. They'll usually say, oh, somebody left a TV for you, and you find out it's all a scam. So we're just continuing to document. I'm packed up. I'll be leaving here tomorrow. Be safe out there, guys, because they're continuing to do this pretty intensely on my head and other body parts today. So it's pretty bad. You have to lay down. It makes you really sick. Be safe out there.